Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Telegram app, and in today's video I will show you how to send documents or file, photo or video or even audio in Telegram chat without any stress. Let me show you how. Very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Telegram app. Having opened up your Telegram app, go ahead and select a contact. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on this attach file right here. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on file. Then here you go. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and then you can scroll down right here and attach from the recent file right here. Just like what you see right here. However, you can also visit your phone gallery to get some file successfully sent through your Telegram. So for that, come to the top right here, go ahead and click on internal storage. So having click on your internal storage there, it takes you to every detail about information you have in your phone, such as image, audio, videos, documents, large files, and this week, etc. You can scroll down right here. The more you scroll down, the more you see every details about files and documents, video and audio that you have on your phone. Let's say for instance you want to send this, select on it. Once you select on it, it's going to be fully sent to the person. So the same way you send JPEG, the same way you can send video file, document or PDF or what have you from your phone gallery or from recent file on your phone in Telegram. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.